Veseli smo, da smo se odločili in izpeljali poslovni dogodek na predvečer nogometne tekme Slovenija-Anglija, ki bo največji dogodek, odkar se je Slovenija osamosvojila po športni plati. Pridružili so se nam angleški partnerji, gospodarstveniki in smo jih združili s slovenskimi in pokazali, da šport združuje, šport povezuje in šport je odlična priložnost za gospodarsko navezavo. Jutri bo tekma, vsi naši udeleženci so povabljeni na tekmo, nekateri med njimi so dobili celo brezplačno vstopnico kot znak sodelovanja med občansko zbornico in pa Nogometno zvezo Slovenije, kar je odlična spodbuda za širjenje športnega duha med gospodarstveniki.
I've had a really great evening tonight, hosted by the British Slovenian Chamber of Commerce, and it's been a fantastic way to kick off this weekend of sport. I think we're all really looking forward to the England-Slovenia match tomorrow. It's a historic match. It's the first time ever that England come to play on Slovenian soil. But there's also lots of other sports events happening. So there is going to be a match between England and Slovenia fans tomorrow lunchtime. And we've also been hosting tonight 5 British MPs who are here in Slovenia for the England-Slovenia match. But they're also going to be playing the parliamentary team on Monday, as well as meeting with the UK-Slovenia friendship group in Parliament. It's been really good tonight, actually, to talk about the strong links between sport and business. I've been struck ever since I came to Slovenia 3 months ago by the huge love of sport here, which is something which is very much shared with the UK. But I've been so impressed by the way sport is really integrated in everyday life. And I live near Tivoli, and you see so many people every day out running, out jogging, and it's been inspiring me to find my running shoes again. And also with young children and families, you see families getting their kids involved in sport so early, which is fantastic. And that love of sport is very much shared with the UK. But this evening we've been hearing about the links between sport and business. So there was a delegation here from Liverpool Football Club and also from the Liverpool Chamber of Commerce. And they've been telling us about the way sport and business are very much linked and giving lots of ideas, I think, to members of the Chamber here about how we can take that up in Slovenia too. So for me, 3 months in as British Ambassador, it's been great to come to this Chamber event this evening and to meet many members of the Chamber. I'm looking forward to getting to know them and to meet other members who weren't able to make the event this evening over the course of the next 3 years.
As being member of Football Club Liverpool, how do you find business and sports when they come together?
As a club, we find business and sports really together. We align ourselves a lot with the Chamber of Commerce in Liverpool and with the City Region Tourist Board and the Investment Wing as well. A lot of the time when you go globally, people know about Liverpool Football Club. People might support Liverpool Football Club, but it's a really good introduction. So it's really important, whether it's tourism, whether it's investment for us or the city, or just generally, us helping them or them helping us. It's really important for us.
Do you have maybe some interesting advice for Slovenians how to connect business and sport in more productive way?
Yeah, I do. I think it's really important to be proactive. I mean, this is great to see at the event tonight, the mix of people that you've got in the room. But I think, as you've done with Slovenia playing England here, but wherever there's a hook, use that hook. Whether it's basketball and there's you're playing against a team from another country, or it's any of the other sports, or other even cultural assets that you have as well. I think it's important to be proactive and be creative around what's happening.
Well, I've been involved with the British Chamber of Commerce for 2 years, and I think it's been a fantastic initiative that gives businesses the opportunity to connect globally with others all around the world. So that's an initiative that brings people in from the Middle East, Southeast Asia, Europe. It's phenomenal, really, because it gives businesses the opportunity to pitch their product, pitch their service into a global network. We try to do that through a number of ways through Liverpool, with connections with Martin, for example, in Slovenia, through video conferencing, trade missions, joint events, and where we have the opportunity, big international conferences, of which he's participated before in Liverpool and will do again next year.
Na današnjem večeru včeraj smo ugotovili iz izkušenj kolegov iz Anglije, da to sodelovanje športa in gospodarstva predstavlja velik potencial, še posebej pač na področju turizma, kajti pač športni eventi prinesejo oziroma privabijo v državo signifikantno število obiskovalcev iz tujine in seveda tudi iz domovine, kar definitivno pozitivno vpliva na celotno gospodarstvo, kajti pač ta multiplikator obiska in konec koncev pač se pravi turistov, ki si obiskujejo športne tekme, je nadpovprečno dobro.